YouTube channel. Those who are watching first time, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Watch till the end of the video. Today I think you all are tired with the snacks. So I think make a tomato break in between. Our brain is divided into two parts mainly. We call it as left brain and right brain. For studying maths, we use left brain. If our left brain is tired, we have to give rest. We can use right brain that time also. But while studying, we have to take some rest or we make some creativity so that our mind will become fresh. It helps us to study more fast and easy. Here I make 3 items. One is bug and second one is a head of angry bird, then third one is a chicken. For this I need tomato and pepper. So let us see how to make bug. Take a tomato and we can cut 3/4 part. Then remove this piece. We can make small hole. See? Then we can keep the pepper, black pepper. So it look like a bug. See this one? We can put pepper here. Likewise, we can fill this. We will get a bug. So this is our bug. We can see in front of that a basket of food for the bug. Now we can make a basket. For that, the remaining part we can cut and we can remove the inside part. Now cut slantly in triangle shape. We will get basket, a beautiful basket in front of that bug. Now we can make chicken. For that we can take a tomato, then we can make the base. You can cut like this so that it can sit properly. Then from this side, two sides, we can cut in oval shape. Cut fully. Then again you cut from this side also. Then again 3 times you cut. Then this side, opposite side, again this shape you can cut. Again this cut again. 3 times we can cut. Now we can take this, move this one so it's look like a feather of the chicken. Then we can keep one head. We can make a head. That we can take as a triangle shape. keep this here. We can cut little bit from here, so this will place here nicely. Then we can put one pepper both side. To making the tomato flour, it is very simple thing. We need a sharp knife and cut in circular shape. So we can use this peel of this tomato as a flower like rose. I think you are having this tomato at home. You take a sharp knife so that we can peel it easily. Then after peeling this, we can take this and make as a flower. Likewise, you people are doing in this school time. You are using the shavings of pencil for making flower. I see in my classroom, children are making this pencil shaving as flowers. Likewise, you can use this peel, tomato peel, we can use as a flower. Then we can keep here, so it is look like a flower. I think you enjoy this. Thank you. Now we get the chicken like this. See the head, see this. Now another one is head of angry bird. It is very simple. Cut the tomato in 3/4 shape, then put 2 pepper, then make that head like this, nose. So this way you can do something creative, so your mind will become fresh and happy. Your parents also will happy. Thank you for watching this video. Bye. Take care.